Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the new Rubis gas station that recently opened along the Portmore Expressway. To the left of us is the Portmore Toll Plaza, the largest and busiest toll plaza in Jamaica. Now, one good thing about the location of this gas station is you can access it right as you go through the toll plaza, or you can access it from Port Henderson Road. So you don't have to be on the toll road to access this gas station. So it's at a very good location. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this gas station. The construction of the new Rubis service station along the Portmore Expressway marks a major development in Jamaica's transportation and commercial infrastructure. This modern facility built near the Portmore Toll Plaza in St. Catherine represents a strategic investment aimed at improving convenience, safety, and accessibility for thousands of daily commuters who travel between Kingston and the rapidly expanding municipality of Portmore. Rubis Energy Jamaica, one of the country's leading fuel retailers, has partnered with Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited to develop this service station on a 0.4 hectare parcel of land located just west of the toll administration complex. The project forms part of Rubis' wider strategy to expand its service network and upgrade its facilities island-wide. The location of this new service station was carefully selected as the Portmore corridor accommodates over 30,000 to 40,000 vehicles daily, making it one of the busiest commuting routes in the country. The new Rubis station is being designed as a modern, full-service rest stop offering much more than fuel. In addition to providing petrol and diesel pumps, the development includes a convenience store, modern forecourt, and customer amenities such as a clean restroom, parking area, and possibly food and beverage outlets. This combination of services aligns with the growing demand for safe and more comfortable travel options on Jamaica's highways. For thousands of motorists who travel this route each morning and evening, the new facility will eliminate the need for time-consuming detours to refuel or rest. Alright guys, that is the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.